We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Learning outcome of this lecture is draw an ellipse by an rectangle method. Start. First we draw a line which length is equal to the major axis of the ellipse. Then after draw another line which is perpendicular to this and which length is equal to minor axis of the ellipse. Now complete the rectangle. Bisect the rectangle by its lengthwise and also is the heightwise. First we bisect the rectangle by its lengthwise. Now then the bisect rectangle by its heightwise. So we get the four part of the rectangle here. Now you see a line from this point to this point. Divide this line into the 5 equal parts. So we divide this line into 5 equal parts. Now give the naming. Naming is important. Always start 0 from the corner of the rectangle. So we give the naming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now divide this line into the 5 equal parts. So we also divide this line into the 5 equal parts. Now draw a line from P1 to P0 first. So we draw a line from 1 to P0. Now draw another line. We start it from this corner and to the point 1 and extend it up to this orange line. So we can draw the another line. Now same thing, draw another line which is started from 2 and ended with the P0. Now draw the another line which is started from this point, passes from the P2 and extended up to the line number 2. So intersection of this line is known give the name of the intersection of this point is P2. Now repeat the process for the P3. Draw a line from the 3 up to the P0. So we draw a line. Now draw another line which is started from this point, passes from P3 and extended up to this orange line. An intersection of this line is known as P3. Give the name P3. Now draw line from 4 to P0. Now draw a line from this corner to P4 from 4 and extend it up to this line and intersect. Give the name of intersection of this point is P4. So now this one is the complete. This portion will be completed. Now we come from this portion. First we divide this line into the 5 equal parts. So we give the name. Already I said that the corner starting from the corner 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now divide this line into 5 equal parts. So that completed. Now draw a line from 1 to P0. So it will complete it. Now draw the another line which started from this point, passes from 1 and extended up to this line. An intersection of this two line, give the name P1. Now draw a line from 2 up to the P0. draw another line which started from this point, passes from 2 and extended up to this line, and intersection of this point name is P2. Repeat this process from P3, same for the P4, and we get the point P1, P2, P3, P4. That are the profile point. Now we repeat this process from this portion. First we divide this line into the 5 equal parts and give the naming from 0 from this corner. So we divide 5 equal parts, naming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this line is already divided into 5 equal parts. First we draw a line from the point 1 to P0. Now draw a line from the upper P0, passes from P1 and extended up to this orange line. The intersection of these two lines is name the given is P1. Now same repeat this process for P2 to P0. Now same the repeat process for P3, name P3, process for P4 and P4. We get the 4 profile points P1, P2, P3 and P4. Now same repeat this process on this portion. First we divide the line into the 5 equal parts, give the naming 0 from here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Now draw a line from point 1 to P0 and then we get the point P1. Now for the P2 we get P2, P3 and last one is a P4. Now draw a smooth profile which is passes from the all this point. First starting from the 5 number point, then P4, P3, P2, P1, P0. Then after this profile passes from P1, P2, P3 and complete his cycle up to the point P5. So now we draw the curve. The curve passes from all of the profile points in this figure is show the ellipse, and this method is known as the rectangle method. So our ellipse is here. Thank you friend and happy learning.